everyone,
Hi.
welcome to our YouTube channel for international law and
Human rights. And today
Yeah.
here we are, Aidai and
Aiperi. So today we're gonna talk about the refugee crisis, about the rights of the refugees, asylum, and etc. Today we're gonna talk and answer for several questions, such as who is the refugee itself, and what kind of rights they have, and how they protected, and about our organization, which
Yep.
we call as
UNHCR.
UNHCR. Yes, is UN Commissioner for Refugees. And also, in conclusion, we would like to consider about the Kyrgyzstan and what Kyrgyzstan actually joined and which convention it ratified.
Okay, starting
Okay.
with the first question. Who is
Yes.
actually a refugee, I believe?
Okay, a refugee is a person who's outside of the country of his nationality and who has a fear of being persecuted for several reasons. First one is for the race, religion, nationality, and also being member of some specific social groups or even a political opinion. Yeah, and next question.
How our refugees are protected? So actually government normally gives a protection, security for its citizens. However, when citizens became a refugee, this net of security actually disappears.
Yeah.
And UNHCR's role in this actually pursuing an international protection for the states is to ensure that states are aware of it or actually act on it in their obligations to protect refugees and persons seeking asylum.
Okay, our next question. What right does a refugee have? Yes, there's no any discrimination towards the refugees, as a refugee has a right for safe asylum, and also as any conventional or ordinary people, citizen of the country, they have a right for the freedom of thought, freedom of religion, and even freedom of movement, and also they have a right to be to get equal education, access to the school and educational centers.
Next one is, what does UNHCR do in order to protect refugees from a physical assault? So UNHCR field staff attempt to prevent conditions that may encourage assaults, like offering victims like a social care and ensuring a proper legal follow-up, which could actually include trials for suspected perpetrators.
Yes, and in conclusion about the Kyrgyzstan, in 1996, the Kyrgyzstan joined UN Convention on the Status of Refugees of 1951 and also ratified the Protocol of 1967. It means that Kyrgyzstan accepted international obligation to work with foreigners who seeking for asylum and also refugees. And also Kyrgyzstan provides asylum and to foreign citizens and stateless persons.
So a lot of refugees live in Kyrgyzstan, and they're from Afghanistan, Syria, Ukraine, Iran, and even from Morocco. So State Service for Migration reported that in 2015, 129 applications for granting a refugee were for granting a refugee status were from 179 foreign citizens registered. And this information of a foreign citizens applying for a petition is sent to the State Committee of National Security and to the Anti-Terrorist Center on a monthly basis.
Okay, and with this we are finishing our lecture on
This is
YouTube.
it for today. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much for following us.